Hey folks, I want to show you a quick and easy way to remove a freewheel from a bicycle wheel when you don't have a vise, but you have the freewheel removing tool and a couple of U-bolts. So just to show you the equipment that I've got is, I've got the wheel and I've got the freewheel. It's a Shimano freewheel. I've got these two pieces of wood. I've got a set of U-bolts. You can buy those at the hardware store. And as you can see, I've already attached one set of U-bolts to this piece of wood and attached the monkey wrench, which is what you'll need also, to the piece of wood. The reason we're attaching the monkey wrench to the piece of wood is because we want additional leverage. Last but not least, we need the freewheel removing tool. This is for this Shimano freewheel. This is the Park Tool FR1. That's going to slip right in there into the wheel. So I'm going to attach the second piece of wood to the wheel, and we're going to go from there and I'll show you how easy it is to remove the freewheel. Alrighty, so now I've attached with the U-bolts the other piece of wood, and it's off center to the wheel. I had to remove some air out of the tires, but that's fine. So hopefully you're understanding what I'm trying to do here. I'm essentially trying to create some leverage in order to remove the freewheel and trying to create a barrier or stoppage with this piece of wood. So I'm going to remove the freewheel. Like I said, I have not removed it in about 4 or 5 years. I did remove the freewheel skewer, so I'm going to just put this out of the way. So you get to see real time what can happen. So of course I have to use this tool, insert into the freewheel nicely and remove it. So let's see what happens. What's very important when I start to apply force, that I apply it in a linear motion. And you'll see what I mean here in a second. So here I am going to put this in here like that, and of course I want to turn left to loosen, and I want this piece of wood here to start hitting the ground, and I'm going to use the monkey wrench to loosen the freewheel. I want to first make sure that I fit nicely, so nice and snug, like so. Let's see. Needs to be a little tighter. There we go. So that's the setup. That wood is going to prevent the wheel from turning anymore, and I'm going to use this piece of wood for additional leverage. I want to make sure, like I said, everything is in line. Everything is along one line. So here I go. Let's see what happens. And that's it. Off it goes. So very little force. What was stopping me initially is that these bolts were a little long and they were running into the spoke. But there's the freewheel removing. Super easy. The setup takes longer than actually removing the freewheel. But now you can just do it by hand. And you're ready to put another wheel. Let's do this. There you go. You're ready to put another freewheel on that wheel. All right. Thanks for watching, folks.